If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Journey SE Blacktop in granite pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, electronic stability control, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, driver's seat height adjuster, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 4.3-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5894A.